Good morning, student. Beta, today here we teach just second one means multiple fission from method of fission from asexual reproduction. We talk here about multiple fission. We also talk about budding in Hydra and yeast in asexual reproduction in this lecture. Okay. So as you seen, this is a picture of Plasmodium. Means fission is our two types: binary fission, which we already done with amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Second one is multiple fission, means multiple fission is also an asexual method of reproduction in organisms. Means in multiple fission, the parent organism divide to form many new organisms at the same time, and this happens sometime if there is two condition, favorable and unfavorable condition in Plasmodium to understand the multiple fission. Okay. Now, during unfavorable condition, a cyst of protecting wall is formed around the cell of the single cell, and like that of Plasmodium. Means inside the cyst, the nucleus of the cell divides several times to form many smaller nuclei called daughter nuclei, and little bit of cytoplasm collect around each daughter nuclei and thin membrane are formed around them. In this way, many new daughter cells are formed a single parent cell within the cyst. And in fact, as many daughter cells are formed as the number of daughter nuclei produced by the division of the parent nucleus. So this is all when there is unfavorable condition in Plasmodium. So when the favorable condition arrive, the cyst break open and the many daughter cells produced in it are released. So each forming a new organism. In this way, a single cell parent undergoes multiple fission to reproduce many daughter cells at the same time. So Plasmodium is a protozoan, a single cell animal which reproduce by the asexual method of multiple fission. About 1000 daughters are produced by the multiple fission of one Plasmodium cell. And the Plasmodium is a malaria parasite which produces malaria disease in human being. It is caused by the female Anopheles. Okay. So before we discuss the next asexual method of production, we know about one word, bud. Okay, bud means a small outgrowth from the body of living organisms. And with this we discuss our second asexual method. This one is budding, means a small part of body of the parent organism grow out as a bud, which then detach and become a new organism. Okay. So asexual reproduction by budding is observed in Hydra and yeast. So we first talk about Hydra. As you see in their slide, there is Hydra, which is small bud is in their lower portion. After that you see that there is also a parent Hydra develop a buds, and now bud grow as their parent, and finally they detach from their parent and independent life from there. Okay. So means Hydra is a simple multicellular animal and it reproduces by budding. Small outgrowth called bud, it is formed on the side of the body by the repeated mitotic division of cell. Means Hydra has small bud which is in lower side because there is mitotic division, and this bud then grow gradually to form a small Hydra by developing a mouth and tentacles, and finally the tiny new Hydra detach itself from the body of parent Hydra and lives as separate organisms. In this way, the parent Hydra has created a new Hydra, and this Hydra reproduce or asexually by growing buds on its body. So this is mean reproduction is this is about reproduction in Hydra. Now asexual reproduction in yeast. Yeast is a tiny unicellular non-green plant, means it is a fungus. So yeast reproduce by budding. As show the parent yeast cell in yeast, first a bud appear on the outside of the cell wall, and the nucleus of the parent yeast cell then divided into two parts, and one part of the nucleus move into the bud. Ultimately, the bud separate off from the parent cell and form a new yeast cell. So the budding in yeast, however, take place so fast that the bud First birds start forming their own bud and then remain attached to the parent cell, forming a chain-like structure. Sorry. So after some time, all the yeast cells of the chain separate from one another and grow individually. So this is the process of budding in hydra and yeast. We also have to be do an experiment in laboratory, just like we can study the process of asexual reproduction in yeast by budding in laboratory. Like take 100 ml of water in canonical flask and dissolve 110 gram of sugar in it, and then add 5 gram of yeast powder to the sugar solution and mix them very well with the glass rod. Now put a cotton plug on the neck of conical flask, and this conical flask containing sugar solution, and it keep inside a warm place for 2 or 5 days. When both observe in the flask, the yeast culture is ready for examination. Take out a small quantity of yeast culture solution from the near of bottom of the conical flask with the help of dropper. Add a very little of iodine solution over the culture solution and drop to steam it. Place a cover slip over the slide and keep slide under the micro. You observe that there is it first under low power and then which is comfortable for you to be seen that. So the formation of bud on the yeast cell and how they separate from the cell, you all observe that under the microscope. Okay, so this is all about, we here completed two method of asexual reproduction. First one is fission, where we discussed about binary fission and multiple fission, and second we talk asexual reproduction. Second part is budding, there we talk about budding in hydra and budding in yeast. Okay, I hope you all understand it. If you have any query, any question, please touch with class group. Okay, thank you.